Hi, I'm Richard, and I'm a security guard. Recently, I went to work at a grocery store where people were pushing and shoving to get toilet paper and canned goods. I even had to break up a fight. Also, I asked some workers how often they were stocked on toilet paper, and they said daily. So please don't panic or shove others. We need enough supplies to go around for everyone.
Hey there, I'm Sienna. Have you heard of COVID-19? It's also called the coronavirus. Lately, I haven't been able to go outside unless it's really necessary, which is sad because I love looking at the sky. Also, school has been canceled, so there is online school. This is because we have to practice social distancing, such as standing 6 feet apart. This means no birthday parties or social events. Be careful outside.
Did you know that COVID-19 came from Wuhan, China, and is spreading quickly across the world? My name is Zeke, and I'll tell you all about it. The coronavirus spreads through the air when you sneeze or cough, or touch contaminated objects. Some symptoms are coughing fits, fever, and difficulty breathing. Sometimes people with the virus don't show symptoms, so be aware. Call a hospital if you show symptoms, but don't visit one because they have patients with the virus that have more priority. I could lose my job or receive less pay because the government doesn't allow non-essential jobs to keep going. It's a difficult time for sure.
Sports games have been canceled. Some famous actors have been diagnosed with COVID-19. Schools are shutting down across the globe, and Europeans and Chinese citizens are being quarantined. Hello, I'm Rena, and I love fashion. Social distancing is making it hard for me and my friends to go to the mall and socialize. Yet some people have been ignoring this rule. This is for everyone's safety, including yours. Remember to cover your mouth when sneezing and coughing with your elbow. At home, you can pass the time by playing board games and making crafts. Make sure to take a walk outside to get fresh air every so often.